Birako is my home, that's where I stand. Kumunumbis Village in Papua land. Morning sunrise over Sepik sky, Maprik mountain standing high, river breeze through cocoa trees. Spirit belong, tumbuna lives in me. From garden soil to tambourine ground, East Sepik pride, we hold it deep. No matter where this life may go, all roots belong me, my heart will know. Birako wan huna gai, ani nektale negai batureran huna gai. Birako kumunumbis gai kaya yakapuki yaka huneyo huna gai. Wan huna maulu, East Sepik Maprik Kumunumbis Birako, and place belong me. Maski stap narapela hakmi no na plus tingting long you home, my sweet home. Maprik East Sepik Kumunumbis Birako, you stop all time long, heart belong me. Even if I travel far and wide, Birako lives inside. Sings and drums in the evening light, voices rising through the night. Old Pella story by fire glow, teaching you me how to grow. Hard times come, but we never fall. Sepik people standing tall, unity strong, all Sepik river flow. Dispel our life, we're long Kumunumbis. Oh, through every storm and every test, East Sepik heart beats in my chest. When I'm far along narapela town, feeling lost and feeling down, me pasima and I can see Sepik river calling me. Birako wan huna gai, wan huna gai. Birako, we rise, we stand, the Kumunumbis, the sacred land. Maprik strong, East Sepik free, that's my home, that's my identity. Birako wan huna gai, wan huna gai. East Sepik Maprik Kumunumbis Birako, and place belong me. Maski stap narapela hakmi no na plus tingting long you home, my sweet home. Maprik East Sepik Kumunumbis Birako, you stop all time long, heart belonging me. No matter where I roam this earth, Birako lives inside my heart.